YouTube. Have you been trying to build an online business and kind of failing because it feels like everything is so overwhelming? If so, stay with me because I've got the perfect solution for you in my review of Cougar commissions. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and we all know why, because I wear fedora well everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But this is good stuff, okay? It's not earth-shattering, but it's good stuff. Pay attention. He says the same thing all the time. Really annoying. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. She's such a sweetheart. I love Liz. Anyway, the way things work, if I like a product, I give a tip in my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you are new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much to YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay. So we are on the sales page for Cougar commissions. And no, you do not need to be a cougar to be able to benefit from this.
What a cougar, huh?
No, you don't need to be a cougar. It doesn't matter if he's such a cougar. Anyway, no, seriously. These are some of the numbers from Dawood Islam's results for the year. Now, what I want you to pay attention to, by the way, because this is really important, pay attention to this side of the results, because over here, this is affiliate. These are sales as a vendor. This is sales as an affiliate. So these are the numbers you're probably more interested in. So $400 in 1 week, that's decent numbers. $364 a different week, also decent numbers. Obviously, as a vendor, you're going to see a lot of sales coming in, but a lot of that money actually goes to your own affiliates. Not to mention the fact that when you see those sales come in, you have to be a vendor. You have to create your own products. And I know a lot of people coming here are not interested in creating their own products. They want to just go out and basically be an affiliate, start off a little bit small, get some money going. But these kind of numbers are real. These you can do. And what's nice about Cougar commission, I'm going to show you in just a minute exactly what's inside of the members area. What's nice is that it's actually not earth-shattering. At least not to somebody like me who's been around the block for a few years, who I actually have numbers actually a little bit bigger than Dawood's numbers generally. Not to toot my own horn, but I know what it's like to be making a full-time living doing this kind of thing. And when I was watching these things, it was like there wasn't any moment when I stood out and said, "Aha, this is amazing! Oh my God, I can't believe it." I mean, I came up with a couple of nice tidbits, but what I really loved, what made it so interesting and so great as far as I was concerned, was the fact that there wasn't a nursery moment. It was just laying it out step by step for a newbie, for somebody who has not been able to break in and build a business. He's showing you step by step exactly how he was able to get started. And that's something very, very cool that you don't see in a lot of courses. So I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because the custom bonuses are really, really important. And nobody's going to offer you these things. First of all, Dawood is going to have inside of his members area, he's going to show you a video from Jonah Armstrong about creating a bonus page. And it's a nice video, nothing wrong with it. The thing is that Jonah uses a paid piece of software to create it. It's a monthly payment software, if I recall correctly. I'm going to show you how to do it for free with my own template, which doesn't cost anything. Okay, in addition to that, I'm also going to give you my guide to avoiding procrastination, because the biggest killer of every single person's dreams of building an online business is procrastination, is sitting around and not getting things done. I am guilty of it myself, and I refer to this guide every now and then because it helps me, and I know it'll help you. And finally, I'm going to give you 15 premium bonuses. You're going to get 10 WordPress plugins that are premium plugins that you can give away, as well as 5 other courses you can give away. You have full rights to use these things, to give them away, either as bonuses or in order to build your list. The bottom line is that this gets you started, whereas the basic package doesn't have those kind of things. So that's really, really important. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area. It's a nice, clean members area. Okay, and basically what he's going to do is he's going to show you in the main training session. This is basically what he's going to show you. He's going to show you how you get started, what affiliate marketing is, which to me is obvious, but to somebody who doesn't know a whole lot, who wants to get started building a business online, that's really important. He's going to show you the big 3 of the main places that you can sell online. There are others besides the 3 that he talks about, but these are the major places that somebody like me or somebody like I would, or somebody like you, if you want to get into this industry, would need to know about. He's going to talk about launch jacking, which honestly, I'm not a massive fan of launch jacking. It can work, but I think that if you pick up my own income formula, I think that will help you a lot, because the income formula really has what I call the reverse launch tracking method. He's going to show you how to choose offers, how to get approved for offers. He's going to give you basically the step by step in order to start building your own online business. And he's even going to show you his daily routine. He has a couple of advanced things, which were some cool stuff: how to build a buyer's list, how to send your list some previews of stuff. And of course, he's also got a couple of bonuses. Like, for example, over here, he's going to show you, I think it's over here, how to bonus page builders. So he's going to show you this course from Jono. I'm going to give you something else that's better than that, though. All right, making custom bonuses again. I'm giving you some custom bonuses you can give away, which nobody else is going to do for you. All right, so these are some really cool stuff that you're going to get here that you're not going to get from anyone else. So let's go ahead and see if I can get a tip in my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
You rock. Solid course. Great idea. I love the fact that it's so nicely and neatly laid out. There's no jumping around. There's no gimmicks. It's the basic stuff that everybody needs to learn if they really do want to build an online business. And if you really are serious about it, if you don't know what you're doing, if you feel lost because of all these gimmicks and the shiny objects and stuff, grab Cougar Commissions. This is going to get you started. It's really a solid get started course that's not going to dazzle you with the latest gimmicks. It's going to give you the basic things that you're actually going to need in order to really start to build this up seriously.